Hello everyone, I'm Rich Newan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of all Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors, a great American family business serving the Atlanta market with simply awesome customer reviews for many years. And I know, because I'm a customer. If you need a great company that you can trust for any kind of garage or entry door, residential or commercial, watch the story of all Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors. Congratulations to the owner, Dan Watkins, and the tight-knit, experienced team that Dan values so much at all Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship for many years. We did not tell Dan or anyone at all Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors that we were doing this video. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of all Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors. This company is the leader in stunning garage and entry doors. They do a ton of repairs. They handle both residential and commercial projects of all shapes and sizes. I think of all Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors a lot because every single day I walk past this shiny, weathered sticker that one of their guys put on my garage the last time we called this company for service. I've used all Four Seasons myself a few times in the last 18 years for repairs to our garage doors at our home north of Atlanta. All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors did not install the builder-grade doors when this house was built, but they have responded fast at least twice when our springs broke. Remember, broken springs can be really dangerous. Never try to work on a garage door spring yourself. People are killed every year doing that. All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors is super responsive. They try very hard to get there fast when someone has a garage door stuck open or closed. The team at all Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors has over 150 years of combined experience. They have an incredible range of products from top quality brands. They know what will make your home or commercial building look great, and they bring great ideas to the table.
For most people, your home is your biggest investment. Did you know the best return on that investment is upgrading your garage and front doors?
Dan has been very smart about marketing. He's done lots of great videos. He's on the radio a lot. They've earned all kinds of awards and certifications. They're out there. They understand that putting their name out there is important. But that doesn't matter much if you can't back it up with service and great customer reviews. At Best of the Best, we care most about our independent research and what real customers say in recent reviews. The reviews for all Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors on every credible review site out there are simply fantastic. Hundreds and hundreds of 5-star reviews year after year. Customers simply rave about the entire experience of dealing with the All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors team, but most importantly to us, they love the honesty and integrity displayed by Dan and his team every single day. Dan has it printed right on his website, When Trust Matters. Customers trust All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors, and remember, my wife and I have been happy customers for years. Congratulations to everyone at All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors, serving the Atlanta market on this national honor from Best of the Best, and way more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.